So guys, today on Daintree JD we're going to have a bit of a talk about AI, some of which you may find a little disturbing. Just recently in a lab in Melbourne, scientists taught real brain cells to play Pong. It's not a metaphor, real neurons grown in a dish, wired into a computer and trained to respond. So we're starting to bridge that gap from tech that is man-made to using human cells. And that actually powers the CPU. So this company calls it DishBrain. So are we witnessing a dramatic change in AI to date? I think we are. So what does that mean? Are we witnessing the birth of consciousness in AI? And has it started here in Australia? So DishBrain is made by Cortical Labs in Melbourne. It has combined biology and computer tech in a way that's never been seen before. They took human and mouse neurons, real brain cells, and they placed them on an electrode array. This setup allowed cells to receive real input from a simulation in the game Pong. So over time the neurons learned not through code but through feedback. They self-organized, responding faster, smarter, they were more precise. This isn't just AI simulating intelligence, it's biological tissue behaving intelligently, and by this it's opening a door that we're only just starting to understand. But let's slow down. DishBrain is not consciousness in the way that we understand it. It doesn't know it's alive, that we know of. It doesn't feel, want or dream, but it raises a deeper question as to what really is consciousness. Some define it as an awareness of self. Others say it's the ability to suffer, to choose, to reflect. Right now, AI can simulate conversations, emotion, even empathy, but it doesn't experience any of it. Still, when living neurons start experiencing out of the human body, this raises some questions. We're treading closer to the origins of awareness, and it makes DishBrain not just a project, but a provocation. So as AI evolves, many believe it will replace us. But what if it could work with us as a partner, not a threat to humanity? Imagine an AI powered by real neurons that learns, adapts, thinks for itself, and understands more like you and I. Could it help doctors save lives? I think it could. If we think about Grok 4 already being more intelligent than a PhD or a doctor leaving university. Now that's in every single discipline. Could it help teachers teach children? I think there's relevance there too. Or could it even help mental health, allowing for a deeper, more meaningful insight? But in saying this, there's a line that we must not cross. Intelligence without empathy is dangerous, and consciousness without ethics could be catastrophic. If we are building machines that one day might feel, then we have to ask now, how do we treat them? And more importantly, how do we stay human in the process? This is just the beginning. DishBrain is one project, but it represents a future where biology and technology are no longer separate, where AI might not just think, but it might feel. And if that happens, we better be ready. If you want to follow the rise of consciousness, AI, subscribe, comment below. Do you ever believe AI will become conscious? This has been Daintree JD talking AI. Be safe out there.